How to sign up in Wise. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Wise trading application. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. You just simply have to open your Wise application at very first, and after opening the Wise application it will show something like this. Tap into get started and then you will get the option of register into the right side. Just simply tap to register, and after that you just simply have to enter the email address which you want to use in order to make an account. Then after that click to next button. Then it will take a short moment to process and it will send a confirmation link into your email address. Just simply open that mail and tap to confirm email address. And after that open the Wise application again and you just simply have to choose any of the suitable options. Just simply tap to personal account in order to create the personal account. Then choose your region and tap to next button. Then you just simply have to enter a mobile number which you use and tap to send code. Then after doing this much, you just simply have to wait for the verification code to arrive, and after that it will automatically enter the verification code, and now you have to create your password for the account. Just simply set up a suitable password for your Wise account, and after doing that this page will appear. Tap to continue. Now simply accept the policy and then you can set the biometric or set passcode for the login. I'm setting up the biometrics, and after doing this much you will successfully be sign up into Wise. This way you can also sign up very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update in the future. Thank you for watching this video.